Good day, my name is Lincoln Hunter. You're joining me with SpainHomes. Today we are in Balcon De Finestrat, which is one villa, part of a few villas which we'll get into shortly. Today we are in a villa that is in total, the whole space of the villa, of the property, is 510 square meters, while the property itself, the house itself, is 210. It sports 5 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. Let's go have a look inside and see how classy this place is. The front of the house does sport 2 carports. We have one that's not covered and one that is covered. Right next to the carports, we have this 5x6 swimming pool, complete with a jacuzzi space, and you could also use it as a childcare space if you are wanting to have children in the pool and you would like to keep them safe. Let's take a walk around and see what else it sports. So the entire plot has been landscaped in this low maintenance cost like way. You'll see that you have all these stones running throughout the house, but if you'd like to change it, to add anything, any other flower beds as you see we have, it's totally possible to do that. If you'd like the property to be customized, you can speak to the construction company and they would take that on for you. More than that, you see that you have these embedded flower pots and you can change that to whatever you like, get them to do it, or if you are some sort of vegetable growing enthusiast or botanist, you have everything you need. So, first things first, the house is amazing. This facade is actually a ventilated facade, meaning that it doesn't get hot and it doesn't get cold. It's perfectly ventilated. Coming inside, what we find is we walk into a 45 square meter space. It has open plan kitchen and a rather large living room space with sliding doors that lead out into the pool area. On the floor, we have marble tiles, which is a beautiful sandstone, like my t-shirt. Up here we have, as you can see, full air conditioning, not just in this space, but in the entire house. Moving forward, we have obviously a lounge space over there if you'd like to kit the house in that way. Otherwise, we do have this modern style kitchen, complete with fittings and and all your appliances. Moving out this way, we have a entrance at a balcony at the back of the house. We find as we look down, there is a children's playground for families who move into the area and have kids. More than that, looking down, we have a garden terrace space in the back, which can be landscaped if you like. There is earth there. So if you are somebody who's an avid vegetable batch grower or you'd like just some herbs, go for it. Leaving this 45 square meter living room space and going towards your left on the opposite side of the entrance, you'll find that you have a guest bathroom and guest bedroom. The guest bathroom, it continues this sandstone marble design in a spa-like style, and moving to the 10 square meter guest bedroom, you find that you have large windows for a view onto the villa, into the village. And more than that, as you look to the other side of the bedroom, you find that there's ample cupboard space. Okay, so upstairs we have an 11 and a 12 square meter bedroom. To our right, you'll find that we have ample space with sliding doors that look out over the town and the mountainside. The ensuite of this bedroom is rather light and airy, and as you see there's no dark spaces, complete with shower and all your necessary bathroom needs. Over here we have the main bedroom. You'll see that there is more than enough cupboard space both on this side and on that side, and as you come through you'll find that here you have look out onto both the town and also hillside, but you also have a bit of ocean here. Moving towards the ensuite, you'll find that there's his and her basins and also a rather large shower. Okay, so out this way, as you came up from the steps, or if you come from any of the bedrooms, you do have entrance out onto a rather large balcony space. You can also access the space straight from the main bedroom. Over here you have a 180 view, both of the ocean, as you can see right now. And if you rotate past the house, you also have these hilltops or mountainsides, however you see that size mountain. Okay, so as we come down the stairs, which was right next to the front door, you'll find to the right over here you have a 12 square meter bedroom. This would be our 5th bedroom of the whole property, and has ample space and also ceiling windows so that you get all that light down into this bottom floor. Cut. As you come out of the bedroom and turn to the right, you'll find that there is a bathroom that will have toilet, sink, large shower, as you can see. And if we turn again and come towards this area over here, you do have the option of, I would say that this could be some sort of TV room or man cave or woman cave, or a large office area, or just another lounge which leads out onto the garden, which leads to the pool. So yeah, this could be a really multi-purpose space for whatever you'd like to use it for. Furthermore, as we head out of this room and we turn to the right, we find that you have a maintenance or laundry or technical room if you were to add any further appliances to that space. Right. So the nitty-gritty, it's €1,000 for the taxes for the year. And even though there are 7 of these properties, there is no community fees. More than that, we're only left with the levies, which is 120. My name is Lincoln Hunter. This is SpainHomes. It's been a pleasure having you over. And please don't forget to like and subscribe and to see us soon. Adios.